For air-cooled laser welding machines, there are two power options, 1500 watt and 2000 watt, and the adjustable range is 10% to 100%. This machine uses high-power coupled semiconductor lasers. It can store 36 parameters, which is convenient for selecting the process for welding. Suitable for a variety of materials, stainless steel, carbon steel, and you can even edit the parameters yourself. The unique features of air-cooled welding make it ideal for easily welding highly reflective materials. Its small core diameter and focused laser beam provide high intensity and significant weld penetration depth. The laser source delivers a superior beam quality compared to other lasers, resulting in better absorption by the material. This leads to exceptional welding results, ensuring strong and precise welds. Additionally, the efficient design of the air-cooled system enhances the overall performance, making it a top choice for various industrial applications requiring high-quality welding. It can easily weld stainless steel and carbon steel, offering the flexibility of both single-sided and double-sided welding. The air-cooled system is robust and reliable, unaffected by extreme temperatures, allowing it to operate efficiently in both freezing cold and scorching heat. It boasts the capability to maintain stable and continuous operation for up to 72 hours. This ensures high productivity and consistent performance. It can also weld aluminum and galvanized steel with ease. The advanced laser technology ensures strong, precise welds, accommodating various materials. This versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. In addition to single-sided welding, it also supports double-sided welding. The thickness for double-sided welding varies depending on the material. With high photoelectric conversion efficiency and low power consumption, it is both energy efficient and cost-effective. This makes it an economical and practical solution for various welding needs, delivering reliable performance while saving on energy costs. Based on that, it's suitable for various industries, from automotive to construction, providing reliable and high-quality welding results for different types of metals. In addition to its welding capabilities, it also offers cutting functionality. This dual-purpose machine ensures versatility and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both welding and cutting applications.